Hey, you happy?
Yeah.
Hey, what are you doing?
He wants to take this video himself.
He should sleep good tonight. She's coming back and do his blood pressure. When he's sleeping.
Twirly whirly.
Yeah.
That's what he does at our
Then,
house.
then he was stepping on those electrode things. One came off. So they said, you just take them all off. Said, we just
He's wide awake,
basically,
so.
she said he's looking good. I don't think we need those tonight.
They couldn't believe that he was
There he goes.
thing on his foot and everything.
Feeling pretty good, huh, Chase?
Send the dirty toys. You can't see him out if we don't let him.
Where you going? Where you going? We gonna go in the playroom? Hi. There he goes.
Socks, turn into monster.
Whoa!
Uh-oh. I see what's red.
And he wants to play. You want to get Papo smoochers?